Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2018 Mazda 2 1.5 Sport Nav. This car's finished in Arctic White. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, rear privacy glass. You've got the shark fin roof aerial, 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, near side front alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with polka dot centre panels and light grey stitching. This is the rear passenger area, so you've got room for 3 passengers in the rear of the car. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat, electric rear window openings. To the rear of the car you've got the rear parking sensors. Inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. Moving round to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Keyless entry. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got electric folding mirrors. So on the dashboard you've got the controls for the stop start, tyre pressure reset monitor, lane departure, and the traction control switch. Centre console, you've got the controls for the media system, you've got the large dial which selects which function you're wanting to use, small dial is for the volume. So inside the car, USB and auxiliary ports, 12-volt plug-in for accessories, and you've also got the place for the SD card for the navigation system, CD player. Then you've got the heater controls with climate control, and into the media system you've got the home page. So by turning the dial, select a function, so you're into navigation, so you've got full screen navigation. Back to the home page. Into the audio you've got DAB, AM and FM stations. You've also got Bluetooth connectivity, so as you can play music from an external device. And obviously you've got the USB port, CD player and auxiliary port. Automatic headlamps, and you've also got rain sensitive wipers. Controls on the steering wheel for the cruise control and speed limiter. On the other side you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. 48,546 miles. Back outside the car again. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. I look forward to your inquiry. Bye.